Alright, so here we got, this is part 4 of the HVAC heaven. Today is actually Labor Day, and it's surprisingly 97 degrees out right now. And it's almost 1 in the afternoon. It's 12:54 p.m. It's 97 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the hottest day of the summer. And we got, this is part 4 of the HVAC heaven right here. So here we go. This is the final part of the the apartment complex HVAC heaven. This whole thing, the final part here. Here's this Goodman. It's not running. And cope and scroll. I can't see the reversing valve. 2009. Yeah, I think 2009 two-ton. Here's a. What can I leave it there? Here's a Snyder General, right here. GE fan motor. Yeah, vintage Snyder General. I think that's a reversing valve. A thing that has actually just been running. This also has been running. It's been running. Can't get the manufacture date. This thing's running. This Goodman. Open scroll. There's a reversing valve. 2011 two-ton. It's very cold and sweaty. Very cold and sweaty. It's holding up well for a hot day. Yeah, here are these ones. And there's more over here. One just turned off. This little Goodman just turned off. There's a Goodman recip. Yeah, there's a reversing valve. 2006. Not sure what, or that's two-ton. 2006 two-ton. Here's a Garrison. Copeland scroll. Copeland Emerson scroll, actually. 2012 two-ton. It hasn't been running, surprisingly. That's super hot. Here's this little Goodman. Doesn't have a logo. Copeland Recipia. 2001 two-ton. Cold and sweaty as well. Sorry to get a picture of these ones. And actually, this is the final part of, or this isn't the start of the final part. This is. Then we got more here. We got 2 Nordynes running and a Goodman. Copeland recip. 2004 2.5 ton. It's a little comfort range. Copeland recip. Reversing valve. 2005 2-ton. It's cold. It's alright, I guess. This Garrison does not have a logo. It's a Copeland scroll. Not sure what the manufacture date on this thing is, because it's got a new panel. But yeah, here are these 3 units here. And we got 3 Goodmans right here. 2018. These things are quiet. Looks like this one's the only one running. It's a Goodman Emerson scroll. 2018 two-ton. There's a couple others right here. There's probably also 2018 2-ton. Ow. Let's take a look at the back side. So that's that first front side of the complex. Alright, here's the other side of the complex. Right here. Wow, none of these are running. It's really hot. I'm surprised. This is an alleyway. Open school. 2014 2-ton. This is Garrison. Copen scroll. 2001 2-ton. Has not been running. Goodman. Right here. Copen scroll. 2013 2-ton. And there. There they are, right there. Yeah, this is a whole, we got a whole alleyway of units right here. This is actually kind of nice. And thank God this is shaded, too. You got a Goodman right here. Copen scroll. Why is there a bolt on top of the other one? 2009 2-ton. DSH 13. This has been running. And here's a Goodman with a bolt on top of it. Not sure why it's on there. I'm pretty sure that's a Copen recip, but that could be Bristol. Not sure. A couple of honeybees. 2003 2-ton. Goodman. Copen recip. There's a reversing valve. Oh, it's a big crack in the ground. 2007 2-ton. Oh, something just turned off. That was Goodman. There we go. Some just also just turned on. Here's 3 more here. I think this one just turned. This one is the one that just turned off. Open Emerson scroll. There's the reversing valve. 2019 2-ton. Someone's making a weird sound. There's another one. Open Emerson scroll. Reversing valve. 2019 2-ton. And something just turned on over there. 2-ton. Is that 2019? Yeah. We got these units over here on the end. Got 2 running. That was 11 2-ton. They sound weird. This one sounds normal. 2014 2-ton. Oh, it's hot. There we go. We got 3 of those running. Now I'm gonna be running back and forth. So from this side to that side, that side to that side, and that one, kind of like that. Anyways, one of these I think just turned on. There's this one. Open Emerson scroll. There's a reversing valve. 2019 2-ton. Open scroll. Yeah, these are obviously 2019. These are like a 2019. These are kind of like Aiden's This is kind of like HVAC Adventures Goodman. Like 2019 2-ton. These are like HVAC Adventures Goodmans, except they're 2-ton instead of 2.5-ton. Here's this one that's not running. Yeah, these are relatively new. Yeah. Cup and scroll. 2019 2-ton. This one has been running before, but not quite. We got a few over here. We got a comfort range right here. GE motor. Can't read that. Open scroll. Or, yeah, Copeland reset. 2009 2-ton. 2007 2-ton. There they are. Oh, I don't think I took a picture of these ones over here. Anyways, here are these ones. There. And there are some over here. I'm not sure what those are. We got 3 not running here. Not sure if that was. I just hear units firing up everywhere. 2008 2-ton. You could just hear the sounds of Copeland recips firing off everywhere. Reciprocating compressors. 2014 2-ton. There's a couple right now. And there are also some right here. Right, Goodman's right here. Go up and scroll. 2017, 1.5-ton. That's weird. 3 2017 Goodmans. 2017, 1.5-ton. Yeah. These units right here. Oh, we could get a double. 6 units. And then these ones up here. 3 Goodmans right here. This one's running. 2018 2-ton. Old. I think something just turned on. Not sure. So, yeah. Stay. The open reset. 2009 2-ton. Comfort range. Scroll or Copeland reset, sorry. 2005 2-ton. Open scroll. 2013 2-ton. Wow, all 3 of these are running. Nice. Heard something making noise from one of these 3 carriers. Alright, we got 3 carriers right here. These are new. It's Copeland reset. This one was just running, it looks like. 2022 2-ton. This one's running. 2022 2-ton. And this one right here. Up and scroll, there's a reversing valve. 2022 2-ton. That's very sweaty and cold. Here we go, we got 3 there, 3 carriers right here. And that one just turned off. There. And we got a Goodman's in here. We got 3 Goodmans here. Let's scroll. Alright, sorry, Goodman Recep 2009 2-ton DSH 13. None of these are running. There's some more over there. There's actually a few more that I didn't film over here, but that's not relevant right now. We'll get to that part over in a second. So yeah, we'll see over here. Yeah. Alright, so I just came from that area over there. That's the area in the alleyway. This is the part next to that. This is near the front. So yeah, here's this Goodman here. God. Look at that. Very powerful fan. 2003 2-ton. Cold and sweaty. There's a Goodman right here. Yeah. There. 2013 2-ton. And then this is a very weird combination. A Goodman fan grill on a Snyder General. Never seen that. Whoa. That's an interesting hole. Look at this. Rabbit hole. Or whatnot. Not sure what that is. But yeah, this Goodman's very interesting. This has a 2 comps in it. Very weird combination of a Goodman fan with a Goodman fan grill and a Snyder General with a Goodman top on a Snyder General. I've never seen that before. I'm gonna actually take a picture of this. I'm gonna screenshot this one. This particular thing. Yeah. Very interesting. Never seen that. And also the pipe hole is very interesting. So yeah. Here are these 3. Yeah. Alright, so I just made a separate video of that other one running. So yeah, that's why I edited it out. This Goodman actually just turned on right here, like right before I started the camera. So yeah, here's this other Goodman right here that's not running, Goodman Recep. 2003 2.5 ton. This is a Snyder General. This one's actually a Snyder General. This is not a Goodman Snyder General Goodman. Right here, this one isn't running. We have this Goodman right here, this one's running. Up and scroll. 2014 2-ton. There's 3 right here. Here's this one. This one's running. There's a reversing valve. 2018 2-ton. Or yeah, 2-ton. These are probably also 2018. Right here. I'll get these ones as well. I should be. Yeah, anyways. Oh, shit. Someone was right there. It's Goodman. I'll film this Garrison actually. Yeah. No Copeland scroll. 2001 2-ton. Goodman, the very last unit on the end here for the back. The very last section of the back. Yeah, there it is. Ones. And around the front of the complex, this is right next to the street. Here we are. And there's a janitor right there. Alright, so here's the other side. I had to edit it again because I wasn't sure where someone was. There was a janitor, so I had to wait for him to pass. She didn't see me. This is Goodman. 2018 2-ton. Right there. 2018 2-ton. 2018 2-ton. Yeah. Yeah. This HVAC heaven is pretty much just the same. Oh, something just turned on. Might have heard that. Got this one probably just turned on. Here's this one right here. Comfort range. GE motor. 2004 2.5 ton. Scroll. 2011 or 2000, I think 2014 2-ton. This one isn't running. This one was just running. 2014 2-ton. I'm gonna have to take a picture like this. So, yeah. That was risky. Okay, he's right there. Alright. These are kind of... Yeah? Alright. These are over here. This one's from 2002 and it's a 2-ton. 2006 2-ton. These are kind of hard to get to, so because they're in here. Anyways, they got open windows here. I don't give a crap. I don't care if they got open windows or not. There's some of these units whatsoever. Right here, 2014 3-ton. Snyder General. Not sure, can't read that right here, but yeah. It's a Goodman reciprocating. It's a Goodman scroll. It's also a Goodman scroll. 2002 2-ton. Anyways, yeah. These units. This Snyder General sounds weird. Right there. Oh jeez, I'm stepping on garden knife for now. These units, I don't think I can really get to. Because of these bushes. I can try, but... Oh, actually I can. Get to all three that are running. Open and reset. 2006. Oh, smells weird. Smells weird. 2002 2-ton. Very rattly. Say Goodman scroll. And the Goodman here. Goodman reset. Not sure. That's 2 ton. Pretty sure that's a Garrison. Can't tell. That doesn't have a logo. It's hard getting in and hard getting out. Alright, there we go. Got those ones that are in here. I can't actually get to these ones. Never mind. I found a way. Oh, these are 4 blades and that. I just fixed that Goodman logo. Oh, that's burning hot. I'm sweating. It's so hot. This is the reversing valve Copeland scroll. What year are these from? 2017 2-ton. 2017 2-ton 4-blade models that are on heat pump risers. Yeah, they are on heat pump risers. 2017 2-ton. I hear these. Jeez. Alright. Yeah, some of these are in weird spots, so nice. Just got this one started out. Oh, that's not so bad. There's hot though. Or the unit itself is hot. That's a Copeland scroll. Reversing valve. 2017 2-ton. Yeah, here are these units. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Well, something does not sound good. Oh, it's a thermal zone. Different unit. Finally something different. Open scroll, or Copeland reset. I'm getting a mix up every time. 2005, 2-ton. Thermal zone. Right here. Capacitor right there, and the compressor Copeland scroll. 2014 2-ton, and the Goodman. Right here. It's very shaky. Copeland scroll. 2006 2-ton. It's finally something different. All 3 of them are running. That's nice. And these are the last ones, and something sounds awful. Something sounds absolutely horrendous. What is this? Oh, it's this thing. Here's a janitrol. Got a Bristol. Or Goodman Dessert Series. 1999, 1.5 ton. This Goodman. Goodman with a Copeland recip. 2009, 2-ton. Here's a Snyder General. That sounds really bad. What is that sound? Like this is doing a kind of relatively good job. That sounds horrendous. Yeah. They need to have a wider space. They can't have all these bushes here because, you know, workers need to get back here too. Like HVAC workers. Yeah, sir, that's not a good picture. Okay. This side. Alright, yeah, anyways. That's all for this apartment complex. There's part 4, so yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.